In this video, we're going to dive into how to manage contact tags in Folk CRM, a powerful tool for organizing and managing your contacts. Whether you're just starting with Folk CRM or looking for ways to optimize your experience, understanding how to use contact tags will take your organization to the next level. Stick around until the end to learn how to maximize your CRM setup, and I'll share an exclusive bonus offer that you won't want to miss. Now, if you're new to Folk CRM, it's a user-friendly and customizable CRM platform designed for teams that need to keep track of important contact information, streamline communication, and manage relationships. One of the key features that Folk offers is the ability to tag your contacts, making it easy to segment and organize them for specific purposes. Let's break it down. Managing contact tags in Folk CRM starts with creating tags that make sense for your business or team. You can create tags based on anything: customer status, location, interests, or even specific projects you're working on. These tags allow you to filter contacts in ways that are highly specific, which can save you a ton of time when you're looking for the right group of people to reach out to. To create a tag, just head over to the contacts page and you'll see an option to add a tag. You can create a tag on the fly by simply typing it in. Once a tag is created, it's easy to assign it to one or more contacts in bulk. This is particularly useful when you're working with large lists, as you can quickly categorize contacts without manually entering information for each one. The beauty of Folk CRM's tag system is the flexibility it provides. You can add multiple tags to a single contact, allowing for more granular segmentation. For instance, a contact might be tagged as both VIP customer and interested in new product, so when it's time to launch something new, you'll already have a pre-segmented list ready to go. This helps you to create highly targeted communication campaigns, which are proven to drive better engagement and conversions. Another powerful feature is the ability to filter contacts by tags. Whether you want to reach out to all prospects or clients in a specific region, you can quickly pull up a list of contacts that match your criteria. Folk CRM's search and filter functions make this process incredibly simple and intuitive. Once you've tagged and filtered your contacts, the real magic happens when you use this data to automate actions. For example, you can create automated workflows based on tags. If a contact gets tagged as lead, you can set up an automatic follow-up task or send an email reminder. This saves you time and ensures no contact falls through the cracks. One of the most underrated aspects of Folk CRM is its ability to use tags for collaboration. Tags aren't just for individual use, they're also a great way to keep your team on the same page. For instance, you might tag contacts that need attention or follow-up so everyone knows what's going on. This transparency keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. And here's a pro tip. If you're ever in doubt about the effectiveness of your tags, you can use the tag analytics in Folk CRM to measure which tags are being used the most. This can give you insight into how your contacts are interacting with your business and help you refine your strategy moving forward. Before we wrap up, remember that Folk CRM offers a completely free version that allows you to start using these powerful features today. But don't forget, if you use the first link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial with bonuses, giving you even more opportunities to explore the platform. Managing contact tags in Folk CRM is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to stay organized, increase productivity, and make data-driven decisions that benefit your business. Whether you're a small team or a growing organization, mastering this feature will set you up for success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below for your extended free trial with added bonuses.